To enable or disable call vibrations on the Nothing Phone 3A, we need to go to Settings. Over here, scroll down a little bit until you find Sound and Vibration and then choose it. And then we can scroll down a little bit and go to Vibration, where we can find Vibrate for calls. So if you wish to have vibrations during an incoming call, then we can make sure that this option is enabled, or of course disabled if you don't want them. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!